Hola clase, esta noche vamos a hablar del subjuntivo con emociones. We've already talked about subjunctive with a few concepts, with will or wish, with giving recommendations to someone, with unknown, non-existent, and now while we're talking about subjunctive with emotions. When talking about subjunctive with emotions, that could mean anything from sad, angry, happy, excited, regretful, anything considered an emotion, any personal reaction to a situation is an emotion. So the focus isn't on a factual observation of a situation, but how it makes you feel. So since how someone makes you feel isn't factual, it's subjective, we're going to use a subjunctive tense to describe it. Como siempre, usa el subjuntivo cuando tienes dos sujetos. You need to have two different subjects. Y también expresa una emoción. Primero, voy a darles un ejemplo en inglés. Juan is angry that Enrique lies. First, let's just break it down. Juan is your first subject. Since this is subjunctive with emotions, you need to have an emotion in there. So angry is my emotion, feeling anger. Enrique is my second subject, so now I have two. Obviously, that will be separated by que when I translate this into Espanol. And my verb, lies, mentir, would be conjugated in the subjunctive. Ok, aquí está en español también. Juan está enojado, Juan is angry, que Enrique mienta, that Enrique lies. So, just like we've learned with, for instance, subjunctive with will or wish, I have two subjects. I have an emotion word, a word that expresses an emotion. I have que to separate my two subjects with a subjunctive clause. Enrique mienta. Ahora hablemos de verbos y expresiones muy comunes con un subjuntivo con emociones. Gustar and other similar verbs like encantar, interesar, molestar, aburrir, and so on. Or just simply using estar plus your adjective like I just did in that last ejemplo. I'm going to give you examples for each of these two common expressions. Aquí está un ejemplo con un verbo similar de gustar. A Rita le encanta que su profesora sea simpática. Let's break it down. Rita is my first subject. Le encanta is my emotion, loves. Su profesora is the second subject. Therefore, my verb that follows que, that follows that second subject, is going to be in the subjunctive, sea. Aquí está otro ejemplo. Using estar with any kind of adjective. So here I use yo estoy triste, I am sad. You can also say él está contento, he is happy. Nosotros estamos cansados, we are tired. Anything with estar plus the adjective. Don't forget that estar is used with moods and feelings versus ser, which is used with personality traits. So I said, yo estoy triste que mi gato muera. Again, I have my two subjects, yo and mi gato. I have an expression of sadness or any kind of emotion, so estoy triste, followed by my subjunctive in the second part of the sentence, the subjunctive clause, following gato. Now you can also use the verb es plus an adjective or que plus an adjective. Like es bueno que yo duerma mucho. Or qué bueno que tú estudies para el examen. So you can use es plus any word that expresses an emotion, or que with any word that expresses an emotion, and follow it up with que, followed by subjunctive. Aquí está un ejemplo. Es bueno que Lorena cante en el coro. It's good that Lorena sings in the chorus. Es bueno followed by que, because que Lorena is implying who. Then I need my verb in the subjunctive. Cantar will be cante en el coro. Here are some common expressions that I want to make sure that you're aware of just in the future. Es una pena, or qué pena. Es una lástima, o qué lástima. This means it's a pity that. Es una lástima means it's a shame that. Otros verbos muy importantes son sentir, quejarse, tener miedo de que, lamentar, and alegrarse de que. Sentir means to feel. We usually use this with, por ejemplo, yo siento que tu mamá esté enferma. Siento meaning I'm sorry that. Yo siento que tu mamá esté enferma. I'm sorry that your mom is sick. Quejarse means to complain. Tener miedo de que means to be afraid that. Lamentar, to regret. Alegrarse de que, to be happy about. Yo tengo dos ejemplos con estos verbos. Elena siente que Javier tenga mucha tarea esta noche. Elena is sorry that Javier has a lot of homework tonight. Again, you have your two subjects, Elena y Javier. You have your verb that expresses an emotion, sentir, or here it's conjugated in siente. And of course, then you are going to have your subjunctive verb following your second subject, tenga, has a lot of homework tonight. Y por fin, me quejo que haya muchas pruebas en la clase de español. I complain that there are a lot of quizzes in Spanish class. Me quejo expresses your first subject as well as your emotion. That there are. That comes from the verb haber. In the present indicative, we say hay, but in the present subjunctive, it's haya. Muchas pruebas. I hope this helped, clase. I hope you're starting to see the pattern of what subjunctive is and how this is starting to kind of click and form and just make more sense as we go along. Adiós, hasta mañana.